In Australia, we all know that we do get times of high rainfall. Any barbecue that's located out in the open without a shelter or a cover receives a lot of rainfall on the plate, which runs through into the grease system internally. That can cause the grease to overflow. The grease trap that we've designed will stop that grease on the way through. It filters the grease out of the water and allows the water to flow through. We would recommend that you actually plumb it into a soakage trench, which takes that water away cleanly. To maintain the grease trap is very simple. It has a filtration material on a top tray and then an internal tray. It's a simple process of removing the top tray, take the filtration with the solids off, and then just top the water up if necessary. We've tested this product with councils. They worked highly effective and the maintenance crews love them.